how to fix security policy prevents the installation of this application error on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this frustrating issue. First things first, we'll need to dive into your phone settings. So open up the settings on your phone and then scroll down and go to security and privacy. Tap on it, scroll down, and then tap on more security settings. Now, here, scroll down and you'll find device admin apps. So if any of this is toggled on, you'll need to toggle it off because this might be the reason you're getting the error. So just toggle it off and try again. I hope this helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.